Hello, boys and girls. This is Miss Hawkins, and I am going to go over with you our activities for week 9 for science. This week, we're going to be doing activities 3 and 5, and let's get started. So for activity 3, we're doing soil scavenger hunt. And here you can see a wonderful, wonderful tapestry of different kinds of soil, and there are different colors, different textures. The grains are different sizes, and that's what you're going to be investigating this week. So matter is anything that has mass or takes up any kind of space. And earth is matter, and it has physical properties too. And so we're going to check out these resources to learn more about soil. So if you click here, you can watch a YouTube video called All About Soil. Here we have a Brain Pop Junior called Soil. And here, Pebble Go has an investigative site on soil. Remember that the username is engaged and the password is learning, and it's right here spelled out for you. So let's go searching. So you're going to observe soil around your home and your neighborhood, and you're going to investigate the different pieces of soil, the different sizes of those little grains, texture, and color. You're going to create a table to illustrate different types of soil and record your observations. So down here, I have included a little link where your parents can print out the worksheet, and it looks just like this. So the worksheet can be printed out, and you can record your observations. You'll observe the soil that's around your house, and you'll create a table just like this one that talks about the size, texture, and color of different soil samples. So you'll have 4 samples. So think about these ideas. Can you find soil that has small grains or pieces, that is smooth, that's light brown? Can you find soil that has large grains or pieces, is rough, or is dark brown? Can you find soil that has small grains or pieces, that's smooth to the touch, that's red? Think about these things and try to find these different types of soil samples. In the discussion on Friday, you'll share and describe each soil that you found in the Friday discussion post. You'll compare the size, you'll compare the texture, and you'll compare the color. Then you'll take this little quiz called the Soil Properties Quiz, and it's right down here at the bottom. It's a very easy quiz. Then you'll do this learning extension. Extension means extra, so you're doing a little extra if you'd like. You can take an egg carton or some small styrofoam cups and plant some beans. You'll plant them in different types of soil. So if you find some brown soil, some red soil, some sand, different kinds of soil, you'll put the beans in there and water them each day and see which soil grows your seed the best. Okay? And then you'll do all of your discussion here. Now, it may take a few days for your seedling to sprout, so you may not be able to discuss that. But you can discuss your chart about your different soil samples. The instructions for how to do your discussion, like always, is found in the discussion post itself. Remember that all you have to do is once the Friday discussion opens, you click in the white box, and then you can either type in your description here. You can, if you took a picture with a phone or a device, you can click here on File and then select the picture in your gallery and upload it when you hit Post. Or you can click the microphone and click Audio and Video to do a video recording telling me about your work. And you can even show me your chart. You can hold it up. Okay, so let's get back here. Computers are so slow. I guess because everyone in the world truly is working on their computers. All right, so once you've done your discussion post and you've done your quiz, we're ready for activity 5. Activity 5 is a STEM challenge activity, and it's called Building a Boat. So we're using our critical thinking and our problem solving skills to try to create a boat and see if it can float with heavier things put on top of the boat. So you're going to collect your materials, aluminum foil, a container of water, and some small weights like pennies, pebbles, rice, beans, etc. etc. Means and on and so on and so on. Okay, and here's a picture of the setup with the boat and the water and the container. So your challenge is to create a boat that can hold at least 20 pennies or 20 of some of these other items. When placed in the water, you don't want it to sink, okay? So once you get to 20, you may want to see if it can hold more. How many pennies does your boat hold? Then share in the Friday discussion what you were able to discover about your boat. Was it able to hold 20? How about more than 20 weights? And then think about, on the extension, can you create a boat in a different shape? Did the shape make any difference? Does it make a difference? And why? Why do you think it made a difference? Why does the shape of the boat make a difference? How does that help it float? Think about that and talk about it in your Friday post. And here is the Friday discussion where you will post your findings. Alrighty, I cannot wait to see your discoveries on Friday. And I know you guys are going to do a great job. Have a great week and have fun with science.